Mastering valuation methods. Management's true test of operational excellence lies in just a handful of KPIs. When an organization strives to achieve operational excellence, what are the key performance indicators, KPIs, that its management uses to measure its success in attaining this goal? As I delved into the world of operational excellence, I found myself in the midst of a fascinating conversation with a senior executive at a leading manufacturing firm. His company had been tirelessly working to optimize their processes, streamline their supply chain, and boost overall efficiency. I was curious to know how they measured the success of their efforts. The executive, let's call him David, leaned back in his chair and began to share his experience. You see, we've identified a set of KPIs that give us a clear picture of our operational excellence. The first one is lead time reduction. We monitor how quickly we can fulfill customer orders, from receiving the order to delivering the product. This helps us identify bottlenecks in our process and make targeted improvements. I scribbled some notes as David continued. Another critical KPI for us is asset utilization. We track the capacity utilization of our machines, equipment, and facilities to ensure they're running at optimal levels. This enables us to pinpoint areas where we can optimize production schedules, reduce downtime, and increase overall productivity. I thought to myself, this makes sense, but what about the human element? I probed further, and David smiled knowingly. Yes, our people are a vital part of the equation. We measure employee engagement and training levels to ensure that our teams have the skills and motivation to drive operational excellence. We also track worker safety and near-miss incidents to identify areas for improvement and prevent accidents. As I listened, I pondered the importance of these KPIs. It wasn't just about numbers and figures. It was about creating an environment where employees felt empowered to contribute to the company's success. David seemed to sense my thoughts and added, "You're right. It's not just about efficiency. We need to balance our pursuit of operational excellence with the well-being of our people and the environment. That's why we also track our carbon footprint and waste reduction initiatives." I left the meeting with a deeper understanding of the multifaceted nature of operational excellence. It's not just about streamlining processes, it's about creating a culture that values its people, the planet, and long-term sustainability. The KPIs David shared with me served as a reminder that success is not just about numbers, it's about the human experiences and relationships that drive those numbers. As I walked out of the meeting room, I felt a sense of excitement. I knew that this conversation would stay with me for a long time, serving as a reminder of the importance of balancing the pursuit of operational excellence with the well-being of people and the planet. The experience had given me a new perspective, one that I would carry with me as I navigated the complex world of business and valuation methods. In the days that followed, I found myself pondering the abstract concepts that underpinned David's approach to operational excellence. I realized that the KPIs he had shared with me were not just isolated metrics, they were interconnected threads that formed a rich tapestry of excellence. As I sat down to write about our conversation, I felt a sense of gratitude for the opportunity to share this story. It was a reminder that, in the world of business, the pursuit of operational excellence is not just about numbers, it's about creating a culture that values its people, the planet, and long-term sustainability. In the pursuit of operational excellence, an organization's management employs a set of key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure its success in achieving this goal. These KPIs are quantitative and qualitative metrics that provide insights into the organization's efficiency, effectiveness, and overall performance. The following are some of the key performance indicators used to measure operational excellence. 1. Lead time. This KPI measures the time it takes to complete a process or project from start to finish. By reducing lead time, organizations can increase productivity, reduce costs, and improve customer satisfaction. 2. Cycle time. This metric measures the time it takes to complete a specific task or process. By reducing cycle time, organizations can increase throughput, reduce waste, and improve process efficiency. 3. Throughput. This KPI measures the quantity of products or services produced within a given time frame. By increasing throughput, organizations can meet customer demand, improve revenue, and reduce inventory levels. 4. Defect rate. This KPI measures the number of defects or errors per unit of production. By reducing defect rates, organizations can improve product quality, reduce waste, and increase customer satisfaction. 5. First-time quality, FTQ. This metric measures the percentage of products or services that meet quality standards on the first attempt. By improving FTQ, organizations can reduce rework, scrap, and waste, and improve customer satisfaction. 6. Overall equipment effectiveness, OEE. This KPI measures the performance of equipment and machinery in terms of availability, performance, and quality. By improving E, organizations can reduce downtime, increase productivity, and improve product quality. 7. Mean time between failures, MTBF. This metric measures the average time between equipment or system failures. By increasing MTBF, organizations can reduce downtime, improve productivity, and reduce maintenance costs. 8. Mean time to repair, MTTR. This KPI measures the average time taken to repair or recover from a failure. By reducing MTTR, organizations can minimize downtime, improve productivity, and reduce maintenance costs. 9. Supply chain performance. This KPI measures the efficiency and effectiveness of the supply chain in terms of lead time, inventory levels, and fill rates. By improving supply chain performance, organizations can reduce costs, improve customer satisfaction, and increase agility. 10. Inventory turns. This metric measures the number of times inventory is sold and replaced within a given time frame. By increasing inventory turns, organizations can reduce inventory levels, improve cash flow, and minimize waste. 11. Gross margin. This KPI measures the difference between revenue and cost of goods sold. By improving gross margin, organizations can increase profitability, improve pricing strategies, and reinvest in the business. 12. Return on assets, ROA. This metric measures the return on investment in assets such as equipment, property, and inventory. By improving ROA, organizations can increase profitability, improve asset utilization, and optimize investments. 13. Employee engagement and training. This KPI measures the level of employee engagement, training, and development. By improving employee engagement and training, organizations can increase productivity, reduce turnover, and improve customer satisfaction. 14. Customer satisfaction. This metric measures customer perceptions of product quality, service, and overall experience. By improving customer satisfaction, organizations can increase loyalty, retention, and revenue. 15. Environmental, social, and governance, ESG, performance. This KPI measures an organization's performance in terms of environmental sustainability, social responsibility, and governance. By improving ESG performance, organizations can reduce risks, improve reputation, and attract socially responsible investors. 16. Total productive maintenance, TPM. This metric measures the effectiveness of maintenance strategies in terms of equipment reliability, maintenance cost, and resource utilization. By improving TPM, organizations can reduce downtime, improve productivity, and extend equipment life. 17. Root cause analysis, RCA. This KPI measures the effectiveness of problem-solving and root cause analysis in terms of issue resolution, recurrence, and process improvement. By improving RCA, organizations can reduce defects, improve quality, and increase customer satisfaction. 18. Process Sigma. This metric measures the degree of variation in processes and products in terms of defects per million opportunities, DPMO. By improving Process Sigma, organizations can reduce variability, improve quality, and increase customer satisfaction. By tracking and analyzing these KPIs, organizations can identify areas for improvement, optimize processes, and achieve operational excellence. By setting targets and benchmarks for each KPI, organizations can measure progress, encourage continuous improvement, and drive business success.